So last night, funny thing happened. My brother, youngest in line, he was like, right here. He was like, which one's the Earl Grey? Jesus Christ! I'm trying to do a vine. Are you done? Huh? Is that it? Oh, there's more? Okay. Can I finish my vine? Don't you laugh at me. Okay. Are you right? As I was saying, are you really? As I was, oh, you think you're funny, don't you, huh? You think you're funny? Oh, I bet you do. As I was saying, you funny little beggar. My brother goes and asks, which one's? What did I say? I didn't even say the funny thing. Which one's Earl Grey? Box says Earl Grey. All Earl Grey. Idiots! Yeah, now you can laugh. I'm finished. Huh? Stupid. Oh yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Idiot. Stupid bird. You done? Jesus.